Welcome to HQM. Today, we're crafting an irresistible dish, cheddar and spinach stuffed chicken rolls, wrapped in crispy bacon, served with creamy rosemary garlic mashed potatoes. Drizzle olive oil over the garlic, cover it tightly with aluminum foil, and bake in a preheated oven at 180 to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Slice your chicken breast into 3 thin fillets and season them with salt and pepper. First, gently pre-cook a whole garlic clove until it softens and releases its aroma. This little gem will infuse our chicken with incredible flavor. On each fillet, add a touch of that soft garlic, a generous handful of fresh spinach, and a slice of cheddar cheese. Roll each fillet, making sure the layers of fresh spinach, soft garlic, and cheddar cheese are beautifully enclosed. Then wrap each roll with 2 strips of bacon to lock in all the flavor. As the bacon crisps up, it adds a wonderful smoky crunch that perfectly complements the tender chicken. Heat a medium skillet over medium heat and cook your bacon-wrapped rolls until the chicken is fully cooked and the bacon turns beautifully crisp. For an extra even finish, finish them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is finishing up, it's time for the mashed potatoes. Boil peeled and cubed potatoes until they're wonderfully tender, then mash them until smooth. In a small pan, melt butter with rosemary sprigs and garlic, then stir this fragrant mixture into your mashed potatoes to create a creamy, flavorful side. Plate your dish by arranging the golden chicken rolls alongside a generous serving of rosemary garlic mash. A light garnish of fresh rosemary or a few spinach leaves adds the final touch. Thanks for watching HQM! If you loved this recipe, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more mouthwatering meals. Enjoy your delicious creation!